Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this newly reduced RV garage home for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 2905 Swirl Drive. This one was just reduced to $799. It sits on a big 12,458 square foot corner lot in the cul-de-sac. Nice stamped concrete driveway. A little bit of side access, maybe squeeze a little trailer back there or something, but it does go all the way back. This home comes fully furnished. Seems like a super quiet street. I've been here for a while on the phone and haven't seen one car go by. Looks like they have a powder coated wrought iron and some lights up on the wall here. Let's go on in and check it out. Looks like the mailbox cluster is also here for 3 homes. So it looks like you have a real nice lake view off the back here. Let's go check it out. All right, so you have this nice little courtyard type entry, 8-foot interior door. A little different. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2018, 2,331 square feet. Again, it sits on a big 12,458 square foot corner lot at the beginning of a cul-de-sac. Comes fully furnished, 8-foot interior, solid core doors, can lights, wide open living area. So it looks like this was being used as a vacation rental, and you would probably get whatever they have as far as a book of business and numbers. Little bar, has a wine fridge, big kitchen, real nice setup with the extended granite countertop, tall ceilings. So they plumbed in propane on this one, and so they used it for their stove. You have nice black stainless appliances, upgraded cabinets. You have just like little coffee bar off the kitchen here. Kind of a little unique setup. Have a little glass door out to the little balcony there. I think this is a pretty cool setup actually. It has a little pop-up for power and your phone. All right, let's go check out the rest of the house. All right, so this is a split floor plan, and you have the master at the rear of the house. Has a door out to the little patio, killer lake views out of the window, candlelight speakers in the ceiling. Of course, the 8-foot interior doors. So you have a pretty nice lake shot, forever view right out the window in the master bedroom. So you have a pretty cool master bath. Has a real big tiled walk-in shower with dual heads, a rain head. Has a skylight. Dual sinks with granite tops. Little doggy door at the end. And that goes into an owner's closet on the right that's locked out, and a toilet to your left with its own door. And then an indoor closet that wraps around into the indoor laundry. We'll go check that out in a second. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So this house also has a bonus room off the kitchen here. They're not calling this a bedroom because it does not have a closet. However, you can easily use this as a bedroom, as you can see. It has a little solar tube skylight up there that's covered up, barn door. So that's why this is a nice little vacation rental setup. They want to sleep as many people as possible. So you have the other two bedrooms down the hall by the entrance, and then you have a guest bath off the kitchen here. Have your garage door access to the right, your front door, of course. And then you have the indoor laundry area we were just in the master that wrapped around the closet, has nice granite tops. So there's a barn door on this laundry as well. Another little hallway closet. The next room you hit is a guest bedroom at the end of the hall here, or at the middle of the hall. Kind of at the front corner of the house. Standard double slider closet. So you have another guest bath and another bedroom at the end of the hall. So this is guest bath number 2. Looks like you could easily convert this last bedroom into like a junior master suite and utilize this bathroom. Nice tile shower all the way up the ceiling. So you have guest bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. It's actually a really big space. Kind of wraps around the corner. Real nice setup. You have your double door closet. All right, let's go check out the garage and the backyard setup. Also, there's speakers and can lights in here as well. All right, so you have a real nice garage setup. Has this 2-car side that's 23 feet deep, 24 feet wide at the door opening with a 9-foot door. Epoxy floors, windows. You also have a real nice 48-foot RV side that's double wide at 22 feet wide at the door opening. A 14-foot door. Both of the doors are insulated. There's plenty of room on the outside to add a couple mini split AC units. Looks like they have a 30 amp outlet. There's clean out, water. All right, we're on the back patio off the kitchen and man door out of the garage. Real nice little built-in Luma wood cover. There's a spa out here. Cool little granite top bar and barbecue area. Has a fridge, little ice compartment. Fortunately, there's no water, but it's probably easily added. So the glass door there, that's to the kitchen, and the other door is to the garage. Stamped concrete out here as well. Here's your side access. It goes all the way down, so there's still plenty of room for AC mini split units in the RV garage. So this just kind of wraps around. Unfortunately, there's no real room for a pool unless you did something real custom on the patio or maybe in the front yard. So this whole wraparound deck is all stamped concrete as well. Oh, there's room for a pool over here. You have a little sitting area, killer lake views, little built-in gazebo. Got your air conditioner condensers out here. House still shows as new. Of course, it was built in 2018. All right, one more lake shot from the corner of the property by the gazebo and fire pit. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Swirl Drive. Again, this one was just reduced to $799, comes fully furnished. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.